Solana Coin SOL, complete beginner to pro guide to one of the fastest blockchains. Solana Coin, often simply called SOL, is the native cryptocurrency powering the Solana blockchain. Many people refer to it as Solana Crypto or SOL token, but all represent the same digital asset. Solana Coin gained global attention thanks to its incredible transaction speed, low fees, and innovative technology. This article explains what Solana Coin is, how it works, why it matters, and how it compares to other major cryptocurrencies. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, this guide offers deep insights explained in simple, clear language. What is Solana Coin? Solana Coin is the core currency of the Solana network, a high-performance blockchain designed to support decentralized applications, digital assets, and scalable Web3 solutions. Solana was created to solve one of the biggest problems in the blockchain industry: the trade-off between speed, security, and decentralization. Traditional blockchains struggle to process high volumes of transactions without slowing down. But Solana introduces unique innovations, allowing it to function at extreme speeds. SOL is used to pay network fees, participate in staking, and secure the blockchain through the proof-of-stake mechanism. It also acts as the main economic unit for decentralized exchanges, NFT platforms, and Web3 apps built within the Solana ecosystem. In short, Solana Coin is the fuel that powers one of the world's fastest blockchains. How Solana works. Solana is built around a combination of technologies designed to achieve high throughput and low latency. Understanding these technologies helps explain why Solana Coin has become so important in modern crypto environments. Proof of history. Proof of history, POH, is Solana's most influential innovation. It creates a timestamping system that proves when events occurred. Unlike conventional blockchains, which rely on validators to communicate and agree on time, Solana pre-orders transactions using a cryptographic clock. This drastically reduces the time it takes to validate and confirm transactions. Proof of stake. Solana uses proof of stake, POS, for network security. Holders of Solana Coin can stake their SOL tokens to support the validators who process transactions. Staking strengthens the network and also enables holders to earn rewards. Parallel transaction processing. One of Solana's strongest features is C-Level, a parallel smart contract engine. Instead of processing transactions one by one, Solana handles thousands simultaneously. This system gives Solana an unmatched advantage in scalability. Low fees. Transaction fees on Solana are extremely low, often a fraction of a cent. This makes it ideal for high-volume applications like NFT platforms, gaming, micropayments, and trading. High transaction speed. Solana can theoretically process up to 65,000 transactions per second, TPS. In real-world performance, the network consistently handles thousands of TPS, significantly more than Ethereum or Bitcoin. This speed attracts developers building fast and user-friendly decentralized apps. Why Solana Coin is popular? Solana Coin gained popularity for several key reasons. Fast and affordable. Users and developers prefer Solana because it offers a smooth, instant experience. Buying, selling, minting NFTs, or interacting with decentralized apps happens quickly and at almost zero cost. Rich ecosystem. Solana hosts an expanding ecosystem that includes DeFi, NFTs, Web3 games, token launches, and AI integrations. The ecosystem's growth increases demand for Solana Coin. User-friendly experience. Because of low fees and high speed, beginners find Solana easy to use. Professionals appreciate the scalability and development tools. Strong developer support. The Solana Foundation invests heavily in developer programs, hacker houses, incubators, and open-source tools. This pushes constant innovation on the network. Growing global interest. Major institutions, brands, exchanges, and investors support Solana. This helps bring new users to the Solana Coin economy. What Solana Coin is used for. Solana Coin serves multiple important functions within the ecosystem. Transaction fees. Every transaction requires SOL. Similar to how Ethereum requires ETH for gas fees. Staking and rewards. Users can stake Solana Coin to support validators. In return, they receive passive income in the form of staking rewards. This is one of the most attractive features for long-term holders. Governance. As Solana evolves, SOL holders may participate in governance decisions, helping shape the future direction of the blockchain. Payments and transfers. Solana coin is used as a fast, global payment method. Because of the extremely low cost per transaction, it is ideal for daily use. Decentralized apps. Thousands of dApps use Solana technology. Sol is often used to buy NFTs, trade on decentralized exchanges, or interact with Web3 platforms. Solana ecosystem overview. DeFi applications. Solana is home to decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, yield farms, and liquidity protocols. Well-known examples include AMMs, staking pools, and synthetic asset platforms. Low fees make DeFi on Solana extremely efficient. NFT platforms. Solana sparked one of the biggest NFT booms. Fast minting and almost zero fees attract artists, collectors, and traders. Web3 and gaming developers choose Solana to build immersive games and interactive experiences. High-speed processing enables real-time gameplay and blockchain-based assets. Infrastructure tools. There are dozens of tools for developers: SDKs, APIs, wallets, explorers, and smart contract frameworks. This supports ecosystem expansion. Comparing Solana coin to other cryptocurrencies. Solana versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a store of value. Solana is a high-speed application platform. While Bitcoin focuses on decentralization and security, Solana targets speed and scalability. Solana versus Ethereum. Ethereum is the pioneer of smart contracts and hosts a massive developer community. Solana is faster and cheaper, but younger. Many developers use both networks depending on project needs. Solana versus Bitcoin. Other Layer 1 blockchains, Avalanche, Cardano, and Polkadot, compete for similar markets. Solana stands out for speed and developer activity, while competitors focus on modularity or formal verification. Is Solana coin a good investment? While nothing in crypto is guaranteed, Solana coin has strong advantages: high real-world usage, expanding ecosystem, strong technology, active developer community, institutional interest. Sol remains volatile like all cryptocurrencies, so investors should apply risk management. Still, its long-term potential is recognized across the global crypto community. How to store Solana coin. You can store Sol in cold wallets, hardware wallets, small accounts, web wallets, desktop wallets, exchange accounts. Hardware wallets offer the highest security, while mobile wallets are ideal for daily use. How to buy Solana coin. Buying Sol usually involves the following steps: create an account on a crypto exchange, complete verification, deposit funds, buy Solana coin, transfer it to a secure wallet. Beginners can start with small amounts to learn the process. Future of Solana coin. Solana continues evolving quickly. Advances in the network, expanding partnerships, and global adoption suggest a promising future. Developers are working on improved scaling, new DeFi tools, and advanced features for AI, gaming, and enterprise solutions. As long as innovation continues, demand for Solana coin is likely to grow. Summary: Solana coin is the native currency powering the Solana blockchain, one of the fastest and most scalable networks in the crypto world. With extremely low fees, high speeds, innovative technology, and a rapidly growing ecosystem, Solana has become a leading platform for decentralized applications, NFTs, gaming, and Web3 tools. Sol is used for staking, transactions, payments, and interacting with thousands of apps. Its future looks strong thanks to technology and adoption. FAQ: what is Solana coin used for? It is used to pay transaction fees, secure the network through staking, and interact with decentralized applications. 2. Is Solana faster than Ethereum? Yes, Solana processes thousands of TPS, while Ethereum handles significantly fewer without scaling layers. 3. Can beginners use Solana? Absolutely. Low fees and simple wallets make it very beginner-friendly. 4. How can I earn passive income with Solana coin? By staking Sol with a validator. 5. Is Solana safe? Solana uses advanced cryptography and a strong validator network, but users should follow best security practices. CTA. Want to explore Solana deeper? Stay informed, study the ecosystem, test small transactions, and learn how SOL can fit into your long-term strategy. The future of Web3 is fast, and Solana is leading the way.